Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We are in a location that I have not been in at since 2010. That was a long time ago. It was my first ever professional race season, and we are in the beautiful Morzine. Plenty is right there, that's where the lifts are and where the runs are. Super Morzine is behind us, Chalet I think is up there. We're hitting all that stuff this week coming up, so I hope you're excited for these videos. Make sure you give it a like before we get stuck into the action. But first, we are staying at a very cool chalet. This is Chalet Carquillon. French isn't too good. Staying with Riders Refuge, so huge shout out to them for putting us up for this week. We're going to come with a ton of content, and yeah, we're going to share our experience and stay here. I've already been here about half an hour and it's amazing. This is a fully catered stay, so food, everything's included. Looks amazing, looked at the menu already and I'm stoked. So, I'm going to take you a little quick tour around. This is the balcony, super nice. This is where the magic happens, but not this week because I'm with Alec. Take you for a little stroll. These are our other rooms. So this is a shared place, but there's no one here, so we have the place to ourselves for a bit. We have the kitchen here, and we go into the chill zone. This is where we'll eat dinner, breakfast, got all the coffees, beers in the fridge. Then we've got the chill zone, Netflix and chill if you want. They made this epic chocolate cake, which I'm 100% gonna get stuck into. Breads, cheeses, whatever, all that good stuff. And we got the hot tub, as you can see there. Definitely be getting into that after some riding. But yeah, fired up for this week. This is super cool. This is the first time I've ever stayed at somewhere like this, and hope you're excited too. I'll leave a link in the description of the videos throughout this trip where you can check out and find more information. And yeah, I definitely suggest you get yourself here. And also, if you have a big group of mates and you want to do a mates holiday, this is the place to come. Let's get stuck into the action. We're going Super Morzine. Let's go. Oh yeah, baby. Looks fun though. Yeah, it looks hard pack and slick. Yeah, when I was last here, what, 2010, there was none of that. It was just all grass, I think. So many trails everywhere, mate. It's mad.
Oh no, he's mental.
Oh, he's going for it.
They're all sick as well. Oh, yeah,
Nice. Thanks, mate. Right, we're here. Finally. Oh, looks really like slippy. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. So we're on a track called Tutti Frutti. Kind of bumpy. Oh my god, it's slidey. Loads of bumps. We're kind of late in the season here. Oh, they kind of work though. Woo! Little tabletops. First lap in, just chilling. Whoa. Nice. Woo. Very similar to Whistler, these blue trails. Whoa, it's wet. You can see it's like shiny on the ground. Trust it. I bet these would be amazing at the start of summer. Yeah. Always important, first lap, just to take a chiller. So where the dirt is really dark is where it's slippy, and where the dirt is light is grippy. It's kind of grippy in bits. God, these bumps are ridiculous. Going for it. Whee! Nice jump. Another little jump. I almost rode into you there. Right, back into Tutti Frutti. Seems like this is quite a popular one. I'm going wide. Oh, it's kind of nice in here. So after just coming back from Whistler, I can say that these trails are actually pretty long, and obviously Whistler were spoiled with long trails. Lamb 2, let's go. So not exactly the weather that you sign up for when you come on a bicycling holiday. It's pissing rain, it's pretty cold. I don't think it's probably going to lift all day, to be honest, but made the most of our time here. We're just doing some blues. They're actually pretty flowy and fun. Just sticking in like clips off like the kind of main bits that are good, that's worth seeing. And then I'm going to go and hit a black later on, and we'll see how that goes. Quite big jumps, rooty sections, and we'll see how we get on. But we'll maybe go and look at it first and do another run and see how it goes, if I remember everything and I can do everything. Alec has a bit of a sore hand right now, so he's nursing that, but we've got 7 days, so plenty time to do more. But yeah, we'll get to the top and drop in for another lap. Is this a blue?
Yeah.
Dropping into a blue. Testing the grip. God, they're short. Oh, I've no idea where I'm off to. Oh my God! I've never seen so many routes. I went the rock. Is this a red?
Yes, that's what I did. I did say that.
Mate, I don't know what I was doing here. I was just jumping over roots. I can't explain how difficult these conditions are. Like in the wet. Super unpredictable. Oh. Especially with all the roots. It's crazy. Ah. Slippy, grippy, in bits. Little jump. Kind of cool. Out into the open. Right, we're on our third lap up. As you can see from my shoes, it's quite muddy. It's hooning it down with rain, and we're gonna go and just take an inspection, I think, down one of the black trails that's got like gaps and stuff in it, and inspect and then go from there. Pretty dangerous conditions, eh? You don't think it's dangerous, but it's like you can't push the limit.
No, it's not worth it.
You want to like shroud corners fast, and you just like, right, I've had to ditch the goggles because it's so wet, which is atrocious. And we're going to drop into this black, oh my, and see how it goes for the first lap. So far so good. Little gap jump, can't see a thing, into a soft berm. Oh my, oh!
Sorry, dude.
Bloody hell. This is it?
This is the road gap.
Oh, it looks like it's sound though. So this is the road gap that we're going to check out. Oh yeah, super chill, innit?
Yeah.
I think the run-in's just what you need to be careful about, because look at those roots.
Yeah.
Decent size.
No, it's not big.
Oh, it looks alright. I'm glad we're looking at this first. Oh yeah, quite sketchy this bit. Oh, it's slippy. Oh my! So when you're doing a track like this, yeah, I'm on the right line. We're doing a track like this, it's important to definitely check it out And pre-ride before you ride. Oh my god, it's so wet! Ah! What? Oh my. Still dusty in bits, but so slippy in other bits. It's not even an exaggeration. Ow. I think next run when we're... Bit of a joke, this. Oh my... Can't even stay up high, mate. Tons of roots here. Like, a lot. Oh my god. Oh. That's a bit sketch. Yeah, they look alright.
Yeah.
First jump. Second jump.
Yeah, but you haven't got very much speed at all.
It's alright.
When you land, put a crank in, and then it's still quite a big pull.
Alright. Okay. Whoa! These are slick. Ah! Oh my god! I can't explain how like ridiculous, like unrideable this almost is. Oh my god. Yeah. Right, we're heading our way back up. It is monsooning. If I can get down this track and do everything, I'll be very impressed. Holy shit. Mate.
Oh, no.
We did the sight lap. It looks like it'll go, but it's gonna be quite sketchy. So you better like the video because I'm doing this for the content and a bit of fun as well. Features look pretty decent size, and it's really, really wet. And I've actually not seen a video on this track in the wet, because I don't think it's typically a track that you would do in the wet.
Yeah, that's pretty insane.
So we're gonna go and do it, and honestly, like, the jerseys are sticking to us. It's so wet.
I'm shivering.
I'm free. Oh, I was gonna say my nipples could cut glass right now. Like a pair of football studs. Subscribe to my OnlyFans for more. Just joking. It's only mountain bike stuff on there. And it's very windy actually, but give it a go. Oh, oh. Oh. That was sketchy. Not gonna lie, that is super dangerous. The wind's real high. I almost got blown off, and I'm freezing. But we're riding anyway. Super challenging. Might look like I'm riding really slow, but see, in this weather, whew, it's so dangerous. Oh, back in. We're going low to scrub off speed. Little jump on the roots, funnel in. Almost couldn't see, or I can't see very well. Going up high on the roots, got that. Oh, kind of fun though. So we're going across the roots here, and then the road gap. Pull. Oh man, that was wild. Everything's just so slippy. Wipe the camera for you all to see. Right, the next ones are quite a decent size, so hopefully we can get them. Little pedal. Yeah. Oh. Ah! Couple corners. Really slick. Oh. Can't lie to you though. It's kind of fun. little gap, then another gap coming up. Woo! Well, you know what, we did all the gaps. Oh, look how wet it is. Right, we're wrapping up a day of riding. As you can see, looks like I pooed myself. You definitely pooed yourself. Extremely muddy, probably actually the muddiest I've been this year.
Definitely for me.
Yeah, and Alec rides his bike a lot, and it's terrible weather. But had fun. That last track was questionable. But then once I got into the rhythm of it, I actually the corners were really like grippy. So I'm glad I looked at it, and then the features were still pretty difficult because there's like roots off camber into them, and I got a little bit sketchy on a couple of them, but I did exactly what I wanted to do, which was all the features, so knocked it out. Hopefully we can do it in the dry at some point. Would be nice.
I'll do it with you.
Yeah, we'll get Alec down it, follow him in. But yeah, we're going back. I know, we're going back, and that's us done for day one. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, slap a like on the video. Get in the comments, let me know any like trail recommendations around here. What's your favourite? Have you rode, what was that track that I rode in the wet? Called? Hattock. Have you rode Hattock in the wet? Like I said, I've not seen anyone do it in the wet, so world's first. Anyway, tune in for more videos coming soon. You can do that by subscribing to the channel so you won't miss a beat. See you in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.